My fleurette Yvette is adding faux pine garland, wrapping it around the tree. Next, she adds some preserved faux hops for that garden look. An alternative, if you can't find these, is preserved moss. The base of the tree is ready. Now we're selecting decorative touches such as ribbons and ornaments. It helps to lay it all out in front of you to ensure that all the colors and textures go together. Here we're combining glass greenhouses with metal flowers and mercury fruits and veggies. C'est fini. It's that easy.